Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul. So today we have a live unboxing of this mod and a live modding. So basically I will do the mod. Wow, it looks really nice. And so we have here the DW-B5600. And what we will do is we will take out this case. So first things first, taking out these screws. And I think this mat is really helpful for such things, because whenever you use a hard mat or some kind of wood, these screws tend to go everywhere. So this one helps you to have a bit of organized. So as you can see, I'm putting all the screws together so I don't lose one of them. And take the bracelet of the strap off. Oh, the springboard just jumped. And what we will do is we get here and I'll take this part out. So we have here, as you can see, so this is basically the main part. What we do is we just slip this in and start putting the original screws back again. They supplied also some screws, but I think I'll use the original screws because they're definitely better quality than the ones supplied, or at least I think so. Let me know in the comment section if you already have a mod in your collection, modded watch. I know a lot of people do modded Seiko watches, and this is my second, actually third modded Casio. So it looks like I'm a Casio mod fan. Never tried having a Seiko mod, so if you do have one of these Seiko mods, let me know in the comment section what you think about it. I get a lot of questions about the Seiko mods. I think if you're getting an upgraded specification, like getting, let's say, sapphire crystal, ceramic bezel and stuff like this, it's definitely an upgrade. And here we go. So this is the case. Let's see if the SKX mod strap will... Oh, it's too large for it. I might just cut 1 millimeter from here, 1 millimeter for here, so I can wear this on this strap, because I think this strap would look much better than this one. Let's see. Yeah, that one fits. That fits better. As you can see, a bit hard to take the spring bars with this gloves. So basically put it like this, and then move the spring bar inside, move the other spring bar inside, play around, and then you have inside. Then the next one, you get the spring bar again, and then you do the same thing, basically putting the spring bar inside, pressing it inside, wiggling it around until you feel the click, and then here we go. Oh, so as you can see, you have to feel the click from both sides, otherwise the watch is not secured, and this will happen. I think this one. This one's turned out. So here we have on my wrist 17 centimeter wrist. I'll be taking the watch out, and I don't know why this spring bar doesn't want to go inside. Now it's inside. Now I can close it so I can see how it looks on my wrist. Actually, it doesn't look bad at all. I really like it. Give it something to clean. So here we have it, the DW-B5600 with this cool mod. Let me know how it looks, if you like it, if not, and let me know what you want to see next. And this is an invitation, as always, to like, subscribe, and the subscribe button will be here, and you will find 2 videos on the left and on the right that might interest you as well. Thanks everybody for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.